everybody, Dizzy Crafter here again. Today I thought I'd do a wedding card as I've got a friend who's getting married and I just don't really do many wedding cards, so I thought I've got a little bit of an idea of one and hopefully it will work out. If it doesn't, I will put this up, but if it does, then great. But I've drawn just like a little sketch of what I'm thinking of doing. So I want a white 5x7 with a gold mat and layer, and then the white layer with an embossed love art, and then an embossed cut and emboss thing, and then die cuts with him and her, like the bride and the groom, and basically some flowers and foliage. So that's what my plan is. Whether it works out that way, I don't know. So I'm actually not going to talk through this card. I'm literally just going to make it and put some music on, save you having to listen to me. It's so much better for you, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. So fingers crossed it all works out, and I shall see you at the end of the video. card now complete. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I've most definitely enjoyed making the card, and going off my little picture that I'd designed at the beginning, I don't think I've done too bad. I feel like it's really come together nicely. I did decide to add some embossing powder, as you'd have seen on the videos, which wasn't part of my plan. My plan was to just have it full on white, and unfortunately when I was stamping out this sentiment, it didn't record, unfortunately. The battery had died and I hadn't realised, but that doesn't really matter, it literally is just a sentiment. So yeah, so I'm really pleased with that. It's complete with an insert which I've just got to write in, and all I need to do now is make a box for it to go in, which I will do. I won't probably show you that actually, just because time is of the essence, because I need to get this out by tomorrow, and it's already 8 o'clock at night, so I really need to get on with it and get some photos taken. Maybe when I do the photos I'll show you the box, but it won't be anything extravagant anyway. So yes, that was my wedding card. I hope you like it. I'd love it if you would please give me a thumbs up. Please let me know what your thoughts and ideas are. Wedding cards, like I say, are not my forte, so hopefully the recipient will like and enjoy this card. And I shall say goodbye for now, and hopefully I shall catch you in the next video. Bye!